Hi everyone. Because of coronavirus pandemic, a lot of teachers and lecturers decided to convert their lessons and lectures to the electronic. So if you are one of them, the first thing you should know here, what's the software or programs that you should using to record the lectures and lessons and share it with your student. The first thing I'm going to talk about the software that you need to record a lesson and edit it. We have a lot of software using to record the videos and edit the video, like for example FreeCam8 or Ice Cream Recorder, also Camtasia Studio and Blender to edit the video. Also I will talk about how to using the software in general or in a brief way, and also how to upload the result video after you record the lesson or lecture and edit it. After that you need to upload this video, for example to the YouTube channel, if you have a YouTube channel, or to the Google Drive or OneDrive or a Dropbox. After that, or finally, how to share this video in your specific course in Moodle. If you have a Moodle account, you can just share the link of your video with the students in the Moodle. So the first thing, the software that you need to record a lessons and edit it. We have a lot of software in the internet. The first thing you have for free, call it FreeCam8 here. This software is very easy to use. FreeCam, just you can download, just type your email address here and download. It is very easy to use. You can just here in my computer, I already download and install it. FreeCam8, just open this and here you can see we have a new recording. Click here and you can choose the screen that you want to record. I can make all the screen, for example, or anything. After that, from here you can just click 3, 2, 1 ESC, and then you can just record the video here. For example, you can open the Word to explain something, or open anything you want. For example, open the PowerPoint and work with PowerPoint like this here. Also, you can open, for example, the code editor. After that, just click escape in the keyboard. Just press escape, yes, and then you can see your video here. Also, you can edit the video from here, or record another thing, or save the video, or directly upload to the YouTube. Upload your video to the YouTube if you have a channel on the YouTube. Now, if you want to edit the video, click edit the video, and here you can see the video editor. This is a very simple editor. Just for example, I want to cut something, just holding in the mouse and select, and I want to cut, just click delete. For example, now I cut this part of the video and something like this. After complete, save and close. Now we can save as and save the video as WMV. The weakness of this program, there's a lot of weakness in this program. The first thing you cannot zoom while you explain. You cannot zoom in the specific part in the screen, for example. Also, you cannot using the webcam. You just can just record the screen without record your face, for example, or yourself while you're talking like me now. Also, you cannot. Also, the editing is very limited. Like you see, just you can cut the video or something like this. The second program also very important, also very useful. The name Ice Cream Recorder. Ice Cream Recorder. Here you can see the video screen recorder. Just go to the Ice Cream app and screen recorder and download this program. Here you can see Ice Cream. Just open the program here, and from here you can create a video or capture a video, full screen or custom area. In the screen you can just select a custom screen or just full screen from here. After that you can use the webcam here. See, I use the webcam. Just click here. But now because I already recorded in another program, so I cannot, but you can. Also here you can see the mic, using the mic, and then just record to the video. Now I gonna record the videos here. Also same thing, you can see the video here. Or now also I can open the PowerPoint, or I can open the code editor and can do anything here. Also you can edit, for example here, now you can see, click here. Now I can use draw to write something. For example, I want to explain it. Go to the pen here. I can write anything. I can explain something like this. Also go to the desktop, for example, like this, or I can draw this. Can using the this, or you can do anything. You can change the pen from here, make it thick or thin, change the color and something like this. Also you can zoom somewhere, for example click here to zoom. Now you can see this selected or highlighting part to zoom for this highlighting part. Also I can just click again to zoom, more zoom like this. Also I can unzoom again, click here and here to unzoom. But this program is also limited, or this software is limited also. Now if you complete, you can just pass or just stop here to complete. Add the name of the video, for example ice or anything, and just OK. Now I complete here. You can just click here in the video. You can go here to the video. Now you can work with the video, or I can edit this video here. Now you can see I can edit the video. You can see I zoom here. But the problem or the weakness in this program, also the editing, you cannot edit anything. You can just edit cut the video from the somewhere, make it beginning in the specific time and end in the specific time, just like this. You cannot edit the video in the advanced way. Also here it is just limited for free. It is for free. It is just limited to using 15 minutes to record the screen, just for 15 minutes, and then you should create another video. So just 15 minutes. Also there is a very important program, another one called OBS. Also it is for free and also it is useful. OBS Studio, also it is download for free, and you can do a lot of things in this program. Also you have Camtasia Studio. Camtasia Studio is a commercial program, so you should pay to using this program. But also you have a trial, a free trial. So here I installed in my computer, already installed in my computer. You can just go here and you can see Camtasia Studio. Just write Camtasia Studio and you can see here free trial, or you can purchase to using this program. Camtasia Studio for me it is perfect to both to record the screen, to using the webcam, and also to edit the video. You can edit the video in advanced way, edit everything in the video. You can try, you can try for free here. I think for 1 month, free just for 1 month. Also you can download it. In my computer I have a version of Camtasia Studio. You can see this Camtasia Studio. I already using this program, and you can using the webcam and everything. Also you can edit the video. Studio here. After complete record the video, you can edit the video in advanced way. You can cut the video, you can do everything, but this is not for free. So here you can see you have a program. I can after complete the video, I can edit the video from here. Also if you're using, for example, the FreeCam 8 or the ice cream recorder like this, if you want advanced editor, if you want to edit your video in advanced way, you can just download the Blender. A Blender not just for video editor, Blender to work with the 3 dimension, for example, design, but also you can use a Blender. Just go to the Blender, also for free. Just you can download the Blender, and then I already download here in my computer. Also just open the Blender, and then you have, for example, I add the video here. Just the first thing you should go to the new file, and you using the video editor. Now you can see it is for video editor. It is similar to Camtasia Studio. It's like Camtasia Studio. Now I want to add the video. For example, I record the video in the ice cream or in the FreeCam. Now I want to add this video here to edit this video. Just go here to the add, and then I want the video. So here, movie. That means video in the desktop. So I name it ice, for example. Now you can see this is my video. I can edit this video here. But if you want to learn this, to editing this using Blender, I should create another video or maybe another course just to explain how to edit the video here, because this you can edit everything in the video here. You can work with advanced editing in this video using a Blender. Now we learn how to learn this software. We have a fourth software here. I talk about it. Also how to using this software just in general, just briefly. Now how to upload the result video. Now I complete the video, I record the video, I edit the video. After that I want to upload the video. So you can upload the video on the YouTube channel if you have a YouTube channel. So I have here a YouTube channel, for example. I don't talk about how to create a YouTube channel. It is very easy. Just click here in the YouTube and video here, and I have a video. I want just to upload the video. You can just check or searching the internet, the YouTube or the Google, and you can see explanation how to upload the video to the YouTube channel. For example, I just this video, for example, I have this video ice, for example. I just choose the video, and then here you can create a playlist and just next and everything like this. It's very easy to upload the video. After complete upload the video, you can see the video here in the videos. For example, my channel, I have this video, for example, previous video. Just click on the video. I can see here the URL of the video. Just copy the URL. I can go to the model and paste the URL in the model. So after that, if you don't have a YouTube channel and you cannot work with the YouTube, you can go to the Google Drive. You should just have an email, Gmail I mean. So go to the Google and just log in with your Gmail account and go to the drive. You have here Google Drive, and I want to upload the video here in my account. So I will create a new, for example, and file, and then I want the video, for example, this video. Now I can see my file here, this video. Click on this video, and I want to see the URL of this video. Just I can copy this URL. Now, for example, if I just paste it here, so now I have a link for this video, so I can share this video in the model. Also, we have another thing here. You can using the OneDrive. If you have an account in Office, Microsoft Office 365, you can go to your account because it's not for free. But if you have an account, just Office 365, and go to your account. You should have an email address and password. Log in, and then after I open this, just go to the OneDrive. OneDrive like a Google Drive, but here OneDrive for the Microsoft. So I have OneDrive. I want to upload a video file here. Video, yes, ice here. So you can upload it and sharing by the link. Also, you have, if you don't have anything, you can using just a Dropbox, also for free. Dropbox, just click on the Dropbox. Also, you should just create an account, very easy. Just create an account in the Dropbox with email and something, and then you want to upload your file. For example, go to the files here, and I want to upload a new file. So here, just upload the file. Click on it, and I want to upload the video. Double click on the video, then just waiting to upload the video. So after complete, now I suppose I complete the upload the file, my file here. For example, this, just share here, and you can see here copy link. Now you can see I have a link for this file or this video. Just click here. Now I have the link for this video. Now we complete. We know the programs or the software that you should using to record and edit, and how to using in the brief way, and how to upload the result. Now upload the result, upload the video. Suppose you upload it to the YouTube. After you upload it, you can get the URL, right? Also, if you upload it to the Google Drive, you can get the URL or the link. Same thing for OneDrive and the Dropbox. After that, we have a link, and then how to share this video in your specific course and model. To the model, and just log into your account in the model. For example, this course, click on it, and then in the subject, just the first thing you should turn editing on to edit, because I want to add a subject or add a topic here. So I want to add a new topic. Just click, I want to add one topic, and then this topic, just change the name of this topic, for example, test. And then in this topic, I want to add activity. In the activity, the last thing you have URL, because I want just to add the URL for my video. So just here add, and here you can type the name of the course or the video, and then here type the URL of the video. Now we complete. Now do record the video, edit the video, upload the video to the Dropbox or YouTube or Drive or OneDrive or something like this, and then share the URL or share the link in the course, in the specific course in the model. So I hope it is useful. Thank you very much.